You don't know, I'm a rock star, yes you know. When I enter, they go down low. Oh yeah, Caro, I me pass claro. You a diva, yes I know. It be you who I'm talking to. No, give me love.
Hi guys, if you don't know me and you have not been to this channel before, my name is Zara and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to use my new mic to film this makeup tutorial, obviously, and I'm going to do the voiceover with the new mic as well. So today I just thought of doing a full makeup tutorial. I just like the vampy lips, the kind of dark smoky eye and everything about this look. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching, and also subscribe, like, and also click that notification bell if you do like this tutorial, because like your girl has got a new background, your girl has got like a new like sound thingy. What do you call it? I got a new mic. You can't see it because my camera doesn't really have that like orifice that you put on a mic or connect a mic, so I have to buy another mic, and then I have to sync this audio onto my my video and everything. And I'm just trying to up my quality and stuff like that, so keep on watching and like. Love you. Oh, this is half the heart. So guys, I'm starting off with this concealer palette, and I'm taking the lightest shade. I'm going to be priming my eyes since I've already done my brows off camera, and I am going to be blending that all over my eyelid in order for me to get as much pigment as I can from the eyeshadows. So I'm just using my hand and patting that down. Then I'm taking this Morphe 35S palette, and I'm using that matte, like very like dark brown shade on my crease area. I'm taking a lot. Then I'm using the beige color in that same palette. Then I'm going to be blending the edges in order to use that as my transition shade. So I'm blending like my life depends on it, so that I can get as much less harsh lines as possible, so it just shows a smooth transition. And then I'm going to be cutting my crease. I usually do this and with the same concealer, and I'm just trying to just, you know, get that shape I want. Then I'm using this shimmery orange shade, and I'm just going to be patting that all over the place where I concealed. I'm trying to get as much pigment as I can of this eyeshadow. So then guys, I'm going into the palette, and I'm taking like shimmery plum color, or is it like, it looks plum or burgundy ish type of color, and I'm using that at the edges of where I put that orange eyeshadow. Visually it's more simple to explain. Then I'm using this like shimmery type of beige to like baby pink color on my inner corners. Then I'm going in with a liner and just lining my eyes. Then I'm just doing this crazy dance and moves with a kiss at the end. I'm going in with a classic primer, and I'm going to be blending that all over my face in order to like have a base and also cover my pores before foundation. And then I am going to be using the orange shade in that palette, concealer palette, and I'm just going to be covering my like highly pigmented areas in my face and places that I have like hyperpigmentation. Then I'm just trying to like blend that into my skin with a blending brush. Then I am going in with two foundations. One is the Mary Kay foundation, the shade bronze, and also the second one is the Salami foundation in the shade F04, and I'm just going to be blending that into my face till I have a seamless type of look that I want. When my foundation is done, I am going in with the Filcolor Face contour stick, and I'm using the one in the shade Coffee to contour my face. When I first bought this, I thought it was too dark, not dark enough though for me. Then I found out that it actually works well. And then I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to be doing that. What is that? I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and then I'm blending that into the foundation. And also I'm also blending the contour lines that I did, if that makes sense. Anyways, I'm just blending every product that I put on my face, in my face, with a beauty blender. Oh my god, this is so awkward. Then I'm using the Sacha Buttercup powder to kind of set my face underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin, because that's where I set. Y'all know the step. I don't even have to say it. Like, I do not have to like explain this step. It's easier to visually see than to like, you know, explain. Then I'm using this contour palette, and I'm just going to be, you know, contouring my cheeks and cut my cheeks with that shade. I already hit pan. I'm so like disappointed in myself. I have a restocked one, but I'm just so obsessed with this palette that I don't want to change it, and I've used this so many times in the tutorials I do on my channel, and I'm just going to be doing that same thing to my nose with that same contour shade. Guys, you don't have to use the products I use for this tutorial. You can use any products you have or you like, and I'm using the I think it's the Milani Minerals powder, and this in the shade Warm, and I'm just using that to kind of tie everything and blend everything together on my face, and so that I don't have like any harsh lines, you know, me looking like, well, basically a zombie or a character from The Walking Dead, which will be very, very disturbing. Then I'm using a blush. I'm using the dark pink shade, and I'm just going to be using that on my cheeks. Then guys, I'm going in with mascara and also some lashes on my eyes, and then I'm just going to be taking that plum shade from that palette, the same palette, and I'm just going to be using that underneath my eye to give it a smoky effect. You don't have to skip, you can skip this if you wanna. And then I'm using the same contour palette in order to highlight my face. You know how this goes, my like cheekbones, the forehead, nose, cupid's bow. And I'm just going to be using a brown liner to, you know, line my lips so that I can like have a gradient effect when I do apply my lipstick. Then I am going to be applying this really like dark, rich kind of burgundy type of color onto my lips in order to get the vampy fall look I'm going for. And that is it basically for this look. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And altering my route,